Oga Ten Hag, congratulations on top your win over the league leaders Arsenal.
Thank you. But point of correction, we demolished them. 3-1 no be beans.
Okay, sir. Some people dey talk say all this one wey una dey do na initial gragra. Unto say una no go dey consistent for the rest of the season. And una go see flop later this season where una start dey jam big boys for the league.
After we done knack league leaders, which other big boys dey? Now those local champions wey no get history, where we and them dey share the same town? No worry, the day we go jam, them go remember say we don dey since before their mama carry their belle.
But Haaland dey their squad though.
No mind that trailer wey misroad. Him come Premier League to count statistics. If we just allow him score 1 goal, him go rest. The remaining goals for the match go be our own. We go do them wetin we do Liverpool. Cut their liver.
What of Chelsea?
So Chelsea don't follow for big boys. If Tuchel like, make him build defenders of the universe as squad. We go still press go enter. Kwata match go end 1-0. And as for Tottenham, we no even need to win them. Na trophy they use him hand, run comot for their side. Them go submit if them see original title contenders.
Oga Sarri and Oga Mourinho, una welcome.
Kubala.
Mourinho, what happened to you and your boys last Sunday evening now?
Say, sorry, I no want talk about them.
If to say Apple no fall on top Newton head, we make him discover gravity. Now you are 4 from league table for help me discover gravity last Sunday. Because, as you take 4, that thing loud sorted the whole Italy hear them.
You will lose to Napoli, ko?
At the least, na Napoli I lose to. You, with all your Tammy Abraham and Dybala, them carry you go top table. You come think say you don't alive. Them even give you manager of the month. But you know say na Jangolova your players they carry you do for league.
Now your papa they use you do Jangolova, idiots.
Oga Mourinho, Liverpool don't only win 2 games since EPL start. You still think say them be title contenders?
No, na title escorters them fit qualified to be now. You no see their match with Everton. Them they play crossbar challenge with Everton. Pickford and Alisson come they drag who go win best keeper of the month. If Lampard wey them go soon sack they make him play this kind thing, then a league title excursion him come do.
Oga Sarri, people they talk say Liverpool they miss money. Now make them they play like this. You feel say not true?
Not be only money them they miss. Them they miss or league join. The Nunes where them buy to take whole body. You don't carry them they go where them no. Him leave board they go not human being. Now both him and Salah no sabi where posts there again. Waiting the vest me na that people wey been they compare him and Haaland before season start.
Oga Mourinho, what you get to talk about Chelsea inconsistency since league start?
Tuchel here say Guardiola go buy the last Infinity Stone, wey be Haaland. Him decide say him go raise army of defenders, wey go block him post. But him forget say, if Guardiola just snap him fingers, half of him defenders go disappear.
And the ones where the men go turn to Maguire Pro Max.